If you've ever wanted to invest in expensive stocks but didn't want to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars, this will help. In this video, I'll show you how fractional shares work on Wealthsimple and how to use them step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Wealthsimple app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're in, tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Now type in the name of a stock or ETF you want to invest in. Tap on the stock when it appears. On the stock page, click on the Trade button, then press Buy. This is where most people get confused, so pay attention here. Wealthsimple does not have a setting that says Enable Fractional Shares. Instead, fractional shares are built into the order screen. When you're placing a buy order, look for the option to switch between shares and dollars. Switch it to dollars. Now, instead of buying a full share, you can enter an amount like $10 or $50. If you see this option, that means fractional shares are available for that stock. If you don't see it, then that stock does not support fractional shares yet. So it's not something you turn on or off. It depends on the stock. Once you enter your amount, tap Review, then tap Buy to place your order. And that's it. You've just bought a fraction of a share. Here are a couple quick things to keep in mind. Your order might not go through instantly. Fractional trades are sometimes processed in batches during the day. Also, if you receive dividends, Wealthsimple can use that money to buy more fractional shares automatically, so your money keeps working. This is one of the easiest ways to start investing, especially if you're working with a smaller amount of money. You don't need to wait to afford a full share anymore. That's how fractional shares work on Wealthsimple. If this video helped you, subscribe for more simple, easy to follow guides.